And we got 6 8-packs of bubbly, and Riker here is going to carry these into the garage, so they're not going to be a part of my inside grocery haul. Thanks, Riker.
You're welcome.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Katie and this is Bodie, and we like to do grocery hauls for you guys and show you what I get to feed my family of. We are 7 strong now. I've got 5 kids, my husband and myself, and I just kind of share meal ideas and what we get at the grocery store. I was doing once a month grocery hauls, and I haven't been doing those. I've just been going to the grocery store a lot lately, and I figure this is what I got this week, so I'm going to show you that. We do have meat in the freezer. My husband just got a deer the other week, and we've got bacon and sausage from our pigs that we harvested, so we're all set as far as meat goes. We also get eggs from a local farm and cow milk from a local farm, and our neighbors also give us eggs. We used to have chickens and we got rid of them because life is kind of up in the air right now, and it's possible we might be transitioning, moving or something. And yeah, just got rid of the chickens this time. Behind me in this black bag is a huge beef liver. My girlfriend slaughtered some cows, and we got half a cow that is getting butchered for us, and then we got the liver and heart. So that's what's in this massive bag behind me. And then I went to Fred Meyer's and got some stuff for Thanksgiving, and also got a few things just because we needed produce. So this is basically my produce haul. And then while I was there, I was thirsty, so I grabbed some coffees and a drink and trying out a few new things. So let me show you guys. Okay, we'll start over here. We got another thing of the real salt. We also use like the Morton's salt for some things, but we like to use this in our cooking and on our eggs and to sprinkle on our foods at dinner time. And then back behind there, I got myself oat milk. I don't typically get oat milk. Usually I get almond milk or something like that, but I figure I'm gonna try oat milk. I've heard that it's creamier, and I really just use milk in my coffee, and in some recipes that calls for milk, I will substitute. So that's why I got an original, and then I got an unsweetened vanilla, and we're gonna give that a try. I'm gonna use this one in my coffee, this one for cooking things, making gravies, things like that. I needed some baking powder, so I got that. And I've never tried these sparkling ices, but I got all of those seltzer waters out there, and I thought I would try one of these. It says vitamins and antioxidants, so interesting. I normally don't get stuff like that, but grabbed one today. And then also thought we would try these, quick and easy. I was actually going to drink one because I figured I'd have a late night getting stuff ready for Thanksgiving, but I'm not actually going to drink one now because it's 4 o'clock and I don't want to be up all night. These are little packages of ramen noodles, and just easy, something to have in the pantry. I remembered to get them, and I know my husband had mentioned before that he wanted me to get some ramen, to get these again when I had them after the baby was born. So grabbed 6 packs of those. This basil was on sale, 49 cents. They had a whole lot of it. I thought about just buying a whole bunch and making pesto and freezing it, but then I realized I was giving myself too much to do, and I can't hardly get Thanksgiving dinner ready or feed myself lunch, let alone make a bunch of stuff this season in life. So I'm not going to. I saw this spicy sweet kale salad. I'm gonna eat one of these tonight. Got some for the fridge for later, and then bought a big old easy bag of salad for sometime this week. We'll throw turkey on it or whatever. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezer. 2 3-pound bags of mandarins, because those are gonna be gone. Kids love those. And over here, let's see what we got over here. Hagen actually helped me unpack everything and get everything organized. Oh, I forgot to tell you, we got a bunch of jalapenos, and Aaron's gonna make jalapeno poppers for himself and the kids. So we got 2 things of cream cheese for that. And that was the only cream cheese that they had in the cream cheese place. They were out of all the cream cheese, so we got that. All right, over here, I went to the little produce section, and when I went in, oh gosh, this one's leaking juice everywhere. Oh, it fell on the floor, that's why. Okay, well, we're gonna go ahead and eat that one now. Yes, it's just leaking juice everywhere. Oh no. So we're gonna stick this over here because we have a mess. And we'll go ahead and bust into that, and the kids can eat it.
It's already
Then
busted in.
I'm not sure how much these were, but they were in the discount produce section. So I grabbed whichever ones looked good. So I got these and those two that are over there. And then I also grabbed all the bananas that they had because we just chop those up and throw them in the freezer for smoothies, for ice cream, things like that. We got some flowers for the table for Thanksgiving. Just some greenery, really. I almost bought a rosemary plant, but it was really expensive. They were $5 for a little bunch of flowers, but beats the $15 rosemary plant. Aaron requested hamburger dill chips and bread and butter dill chips. He's got some kind of recipe that he's gonna make those using those. And these are huge because I figure we're a big family, we'll eat them all. So we got 46 ounces of both of those. I don't remember the price, but and then I got some dinner rolls. Yes, I bake a lot, make my own bread, all that kind of stuff, but I'm not doing it tomorrow. So I bought some dinner rolls. We also have some already pre-made that Aaron got from Base, from where he works. We've got some Hawaiian rolls in the fridge, and then I bought these. We're gonna throw these in the freezer just so we can have those. And I will pop down below in the description my pie crust recipe, but the season of easy. So I got those, and it comes with 2. So at least 2 of our pies will be made with that. And then I'm gonna make some mincemeat pies, but I'm gonna use the pie crust that I homemake to make my mincemeat pies, but I figured this will be quick and easy for pumpkin pies. And I almost forgot stuffing, and they had these at checkout. So I just grabbed this bag of stuffing mix, and it comes with a seasoning packet. And I also have bread. And I have bread in the refrigerator or in the freezer too that I've been freezing and saving to make stuffing. Grabbed a bag of chips just for fun. And these were 2 for $3. So, you know, I definitely found the 2 biggest ones that they had and bought those, and we'll eat on these for the next couple days. We got 6 cucumbers here and a huge bag of jalapenos for those jalapeno peppers I was talking about. And then I figure we're going to be sick of chicken and turkey because we've been eating chicken for the last couple days. So I'm going to make some chili this week or next week, beginning of next week. So I got some peppers to make chili.
What's that chicken salad?
Usually we get, well, we go back and forth on apples. I usually sometimes get organic. I did not get organic this time. And I don't care. It's not a big deal. Can't do all organic all the time. And then asparagus, this is going to be for Thanksgiving dinner tomorrow. So we're going to have mashed potatoes, asparagus, stuffing, turkey breast, salad, rolls, and fruit. These are black grapes. We got these black grapes. They're yummy, yummy. And a bag of local carrots because we make lots of soups and stews with those. So that's what we got. That stuff back there, this stuff right here. And that's how we're gonna feed this hungry crew for the next week. Lots of fresh stuff. And I haven't done my last couple of grocery hauls, but I have gone to the grocery store almost every week for the last couple weeks, and just trying to stock the pantry, that kind of thing, because we're going into winter and we live kind of down in a holler and the roads get bad, and we all know that I can't drive very good. So there, I said it. So I don't like to grocery shop that much. I really don't. So got some things to stretch in the pantry. And I'm also going to be doing a haul on Friday for Azure. I finally placed an Azure order. I've been wanting to do it for years and years and years, ever since I moved here, and we've had a drop location here in town. I just haven't done it, and now I've done it. So Friday, I'll show you guys what I got from that. A bunch of bulk stuff and things for my bulk storage bins. They were out of stock of so many things from Azure. And then the delivery driver's wife got sick. So it was supposed to be delivered last week, and it wasn't delivered until this week. So Friday it's getting delivered in town. I have to go pick it up. And they were out of everything that I had in my cart. They just kept running out of, I guess because everybody's panic buying all the bulk food stores. And so, yeah, so many things. so many things that I wanted to get, I could not get. So I ended up going to Walmart and getting some things. And yeah, I'll have to show you guys that at some point. I'm not going to show you today my bulk food storage system, what I'm doing, but I'm also saving lots of canning supplies. I'm canning lots of food and doing things like that just to kind of get my pantry stocked for wintertime, and I'll share all of that in the future. But for today, I hope you guys enjoyed this grocery haul. Thank you so much for joining me today. Yeah, until next time. Bye. You got your snack on there? Snack travels?
Does he?
Yes. He's laughing about it too. What are you doing? Num num? Snack? What's he doing? You walking around? Ew, yuckies. Here, do we need to move this? You gonna hold it? Okay, you got it now.